We're here at the parasailing thing, guys. Look at that. Nice.
Hey guys, so right now we're out here. Pretty, very pretty and cool. We're gonna go parasailing.
I'm excited, guys. Look at that view, guys. Nice. All those boats. We need to get us one. This shit is weird. I know. Holy shit, we're high. What do you get to say, baby?
I don't know. This is fun.
This is like, it's not even scary. I thought it was gonna be scary, but it's not scary. It's like relaxing up here.
Yeah, relax.
Look how high as shit we are. Holy shit. I know, that song got stuck in my head now. Holy
It's crazy how like tiny they are.
I know, look at that. Now you can see yourself. Oh my god, it's high. Imagine falling down, that would be painful. Falling from this high.
Uh-huh. It looks so pretty.
I love you, baby.
Love you.
Oh my gosh. At first it was kind of scary taking off, but that's because you don't like know what to expect.
You don't like
but...
kind of know what to expect.
Holy shit. Oh fuck. Don't tell us the wind's taking us somewhere else.
Woohoo!
Oh
Where's
shit.
Queen, where are you, girl?
Oh, she's over there.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
What?
I'm scared.
Yeah.
You like it? Look at the view, guys.
This is like the best thing we've done.
Look at the view of like the whole city. Not the whole city, but you know, look at the mountain. My feet are freaking cold right now.
Mine are too. They're like, my little toes are nibbling.
But guys, you guys should definitely do this. If you guys ever get the chance. Yeah, for sure. The aquarium over there, guys, so we're going there next. I think we have that appointment thing at like 1 o'clock or so, so we're about to dip our toes right now. You know, they're not up to date right now, but hey.
Okay.
How high do you think we are right now? Like 20 feet? Oh shit. I know. Oh, shit.
We're like at least like a couple on this.
Huh?
Actually, we're like at least a couple on this. Okay, ready?
Holy shit. Here goes our feet. Oh fuck, that was cold. Holy shit. Baby, you're lucky. Baby, look at my pants. Alright guys, so we actually got done parasailing and all that, and we're actually on our way to the aquarium right now.
Yeah, so that's exciting.
Yeah, you guys should definitely go parasailing. Highly recommended. I kind of want to do that too, so we're probably going to try that stuff too.
Oh, that looks fun. I forgot about that.
But yeah, we'll do that also.
I wonder how much it is.
I don't know. We'll probably look at that in a little bit.
Probably like 20 bucks, 30 bucks.
Yeah guys, we're about to go to the aquarium right now and hopefully it's fun. Yeah, so.
I'm having a good day today. I think it's a good day.
But we'll get back to you guys, and we're happy. I think our date's going good because we left that hotel.
Definitely.
So.
And things are working out finally.
We'll see you guys in the aquarium, guys. If we can record it now. I don't know if we can yet or not, but we'll see.
So cool. Look at that fishies. Oh, look at the jellyfishes.
I'll take a picture.
Oh, sorry, babe. Wow, this is cool.
It's okay, baby.
Wait, I think he's gonna come back.
No, he's gonna swim now.
Oh, okay. He's so cute. Aww.
We're staying next to him for a second.
Aww. Oh my goodness, they're penguins.
good. I feel like it's good.
It does feel good. I want to go in there.
The music's right there.
Do tricks. Oh, go ahead. Hey guys, so right now we're out here pedaling swans. It's really tiring. I don't think I would recommend, but it's nice. It's funny. I mean, it's fun. But yeah, I wish we were in the back of the boat, not having to paddle. So it's a little out of breath. Me too. Hey guys, so right now we're back in our favorite hotel in Valencia, and it's a very long drive, and I almost ran out of gas, but it's okay. I still gotta get gas, but at least I didn't run out. But we had a fun day today. What do you think, babe?
Yes, baby. And
it was just better. It was probably the best days that we've had all weekend. But it's kind of sad that we have to leave, but it's okay. But we'll be back next weekend, but for Six Flags. Both parks, you already know. So right now we're probably gonna go get gas, go to Walmart and get a hoverboard, and maybe get some other stuff and get some pizza, and then watch some Jumanji. And then tomorrow we're gonna be going to the zoo, which you guys will see because it's a zoo. But apparently monkeys like to throw poop at you, so we gotta watch out for that.
They have one of the scooters.
What scooters? The electric scooters?
Yeah, I have one you can buy.
Let me see.
You can't be driving.
Okay. Make sure you get good stuff.
Good stuff.
I cannot see.
Oh look.
Oh shoot, I see flames.
Oh, it's not even that bad. I mean, it's bad for those people. Oh crap, it's a diesel. It blew up.
Oh shoot, the shrubs are on fire. Oh crap. I'm walking in my entrance. There she is over there. And we'll see you when we see the animals. Hey guys, it's me again, like 2 months later. So we never ended up ending off the vlog really, and we sucked really bad at it. Then a lot has happened in the past 2 months. Like our bird, we got a new bird, got rid of the chameleons. My baby got a new car for his birthday, kind of. Not for his birthday, but it's his own birthday present. We just got done like going through all the videos from LA, our LA trip, which was like kind of depressing because like nothing worked out for us, but it's okay. Yeah, we have work tomorrow, which is sad. It's Sunday, so you know, it's depressing, but there'll be more videos to come, better ones, I swear. But have a great day, good night, and do skis.